What's up, foodies? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Greek potato salad that's bright, briny, and absolutely packed with flavor. This one's loaded with tender baby potatoes, a zesty lemon-oregano dressing, and plenty of salty, tangy goodness from the feta, olives, and capers. This is the perfect side for grilled meats or a mezze feast. So let's get into it. First up, let's cook the potatoes. Get a big pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then drop in 3 pounds of baby potatoes. Let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until they're fork tender. You want them soft but not falling apart. Once they're ready, drain them and let them cool just enough to handle before cutting them in half. Now while this cool, let's make the dressing. In a small jar or bowl, mix together half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now I love using Kalamata olive oil here. It's a fantastic Greek olive oil from a small family grove, and it really brings that rich, authentic flavor to the dressing. Then we're going to add in the juice and zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Then give it a good shake or whisk until it's emulsified. This dressing might seem super simple, but it does pack a serious punch. If you're enjoying this recipe, you're going to love my new cookbook, The FOOD-DEE Odyssey, Totally Greek. It's packed with over 70 incredible Greek recipes that capture the essence of my travels in Greece and my time cooking in Greek restaurants. This cookbook has some of my favorite Greek dishes like briam, Cretan bougatsa, souvlaki, lots of different recipes in here. Greek salad, the best Greek salad you're ever going to have if you're not in Greece. Whether you're a fan of Greek cuisine or looking for modern twists, this cookbook has something special for every home cook. You can grab your copy in the description below. Now it's time to bring it all together. In a big mixing bowl, add the baby potatoes, half a small red onion, thinly sliced, 1 cup of Kalamata olives that have been pitted and roughly chopped, 3 tablespoons of caper berries, 200 grams of crumbled feta cheese, make sure you're using a really good feta cheese here, and then a handful of fresh dill that's been finely chopped. Then drizzle that lemony dressing all over and gently mix everything up until it's well combined and coated in all that flavor. Then go ahead and give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, and that's it. Your Greek potato salad is all done. Now you could eat this salad right away, or you could put it in the fridge and have it later. Either way, it's an absolute winner. It's bright, briny, it's the right amount of tang. This is going to go well with so many meals. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, foodie.